The secret to winning large sales pitches isn't always hidden in a proposal that shows how you can safely deliver your client's project on time at a competitive price. Instead, it's being able to explain why they should choose you from the shortlist. Let's take a moment to examine the difference. So it's safe to assume that by this late stage of the selection process, you, along with 2 or 3 of your major competitors, have produced a well-reasoned proposal that says you've got an experienced team of experts and a strong track record of case studies and testimonials, and here's an overview of our tailored solution using innovative products and services. Sound familiar? So if it takes such a significant investment of time and resources to get to this late stage, and we've only got a handful of these major opportunities each year, what's your strategy to win more than just 1 in 3 or 1 in 4 of these big deals? The Pitching to Win workshop follows a 4-step process to plan, write, present, and then close the deal. But it's not just a regular training workshop. Participants will bring along their own live client opportunities, and during the session we will walk through each step in the process, conducting a deep dive analysis, identifying the strengths and the weaknesses of your case. So at the end of the session, you're going to walk away with a best practice approach for winning strategic bids and tenders, and a list of the prioritized activities required to increase your win ratios.